Hey guys, welcome back to Horizon Supercar, and this is the 2019 Aston Martin DB11 Volante, a great sounding, fun to drive convertible with its own set of black market challenges. In this video, I'm about to tune it from a stock to max horsepower and give it a full ultimate race build. But hold on a minute, we've just hit 1k subscribers fam, thank you so much for all the support. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe. Now, let's get into it. First things first, let's max this thing out with Ultimate Plus upgrades. For this build, we are swapping in a 721 horsepower forged 3.8 liter V6 to unlock its full potential. Alright, time to set up the body kit. there you have it, all tuned up and ready to roll. Let's see how it performs.
I'm already pissed.
Picked up the chase from before. Now let's end it.
For a drive later, so shout now if you want some.
Alright, let's break down the numbers. Pushing almost 1,400 horsepower from a Ford 3.8-liter V6, hitting 236 miles per hour and going 0 to 60 in just 2.3 seconds. This thing is easily one of the fastest and most fun cars in Need for Speed Heat. Drop a comment and let me know which car you want me to tune in the next NFS Heat video. Don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that notification bell. See you in the next one. Bye bye.